very early because we're going to the Beltway Mustang first meet of the season, and it is going to be my first actual meet that I'm going to with this group. So I'm really excited to see all the cars and meet all the different people that have these cars and see what everything's about. I have my drone, so we're going to take some really cool aerial videos, and it's going to be a great time, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're here now at the Beltway Mustang group first meet of the year, and we're going to go and talk to a couple of the people here and look at the awesome cars that everybody brought. So here we go. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Pretty good. Chris.
Ron,
nice to meet you, man. So you have a really awesome jacket on. So what's that about?
Representing Team Shelby.
Team Shelby?
We got two Shelbys over here. We usually hang out together at car shows.
Whoa.
Red Deans, Shelby Super Snake, 2014, 5.8 liter,
Oh.
3.6 blower, 07 GT500 Super Snake with a 2.8 blower. And we try to do a lot of car shows together.
Oh man.
So puts out an insane amount of horsepower. We'll throw you around like a rag doll.
So how much power is that putting down?
More than 600. I haven't not had it dynoed. I believe Dean has had his Dean dyno on yours. Did you run it?
No, did not.
All right, so he's basically, we're running two dyno-less cars, but more or less it's in the sixes, the high sixes. He's somewhere in the high 7s to 8s.
Oh.
The Supercharger will put out a max of 1,000 horsepower, but you would have to have the ultimate tune and the right throttle body to support that. His will put out as much as 1,200 horsepower.
Oh man.
And as a liquid cooled Kenny Bell 3.6, again, that would be right with the right tune and the right throttle body, but again, it's just massive horsepower. But we don't race these cars. We show them at car shows and parades, so we do a lot of car shows together. But you know, I guess if we raced them and dynoed them and did a little bit more to them, you can always make it a little bit faster.
Yeah, of course. But really, I mean, these are too beautiful to.
Right, I don't want to crack it up. I'm not cracking this car up. I don't, I don't get out on the open roads and get stupid with it. So.
Yeah, I bet. I mean, look at this. This carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Yep. So
is that
a lot of carbon fiber around it? I put a lot of time and effort into the look of it for, again, mostly car shows and parades. Same thing Dean did with his. So, but they are brutally fast cars, just brutally fast. And Shelby is synonymous with speed. The name means speed. So anytime you tell somebody it's a Shelby, they know it. They know what it means. So, but it will put it down.
So tell us about how you got this one.
I got this one. My car is a little bit unique because I hunted around for for years to get a low production 07 model. After the movie I Am Legend came out from Will Smith, they made 8,152 Shelbys nationwide, and the GT500 was the first production model of the GT500 after the 37-year absence. So that being said, once that movie came out, they were gone nationwide. You really couldn't get one. So I wanted a low production number, and I had to wait a few years. And out of 8,152, I kept calling Ford Racing and would give them a VIN if I found one around the country that was red that I wanted, and the guy would give me an answer like, that's number 6,000, some odd number out of 8,000. So I kept hunting and found this one right in Ohio, where the NFL Hall of Fame Museum is in Canton, Ohio. This particular model was owned by a guy, and it was number 551 out of 8,152. So
wow.
I knew it was a low production number, and that was going to be my car.
That's awesome, man.
So
What's up, man? Chris.
Doug.
Doug, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So, what you got here, Doug?
This is a 2011 Mustang V6. Got a little bit of stuff under the hood, not much. Still work in progress. JLT, cold air intake, Moroso, coolant tank. Got the tower strut there.
Nice.
Light scoop. Added this window scoop. Added the GT500 spoiler. I got 93 performance tuned by MBT right now. Ghost cam, so it's got a real rock. It's got a rock to it.
Oh, nice. Do you use that all the time?
Yeah.
You do?
I daily drive it with the Ghost cam.
No problems whatsoever?
I mean, if it was an automatic, you'd have more problems, but it's a manual, so it just takes a little bit of getting used to.
Nice.
The only real problem that you have with it is when you are going through like a shopping center, you have to like be on and off the clutch more, like you would be in traffic, because it'll stall on you or it'll lunge on you. I swapped out the antenna over there with a Ronin factory 50 caliber bullet.
Really?
Yeah, so I mean it gets pretty good.
Oh yeah.
It's different. Not everybody's got the same. Not everybody's got the same. It's an actual size replica, same metal, you know. Just the internals are different, and it's been fab. But
that's awesome.
This has been my dream car.
Yeah.
Ever since I was 16, and I finally got one. It took me, 26 years or 25 years to get it, but yeah, got it, and it's just a work in progress. And I'm hoping that within the next 5 years, it'll completely be done.
Nice. Well, good for you, man. It's looking awesome.
All right, thanks, buddy.
this is Chris's car. Let's hear about it, Chris.
All right,
What'd you
so right now you can see in the front, they're custom lights done by HID Projectors. A guy up in New York, send him his lights, he'll take them apart, put whatever you want on them. Did the RTR grill swap kit with the grill running lights.
Oh, nice.
Also have the Raxium turn signals with the tri-bars down there to match the upper tri-bars. Added the little Coyote badge. Have a little bolts on there. Cervini's front spoiler. Put that on there.
Massive.
Yeah. Put on then got some 20s from American Muscle, just normal American Muscle wheels with some Michelin AS3s that I daily in my car all the time, so I want to travel as much as I can. Then it got the RTR side splitters along with the RTR rim going all the way back to the rear fender. The whole car is lowered on the Ibach, the sport coilover kit, so it's lowered about an inch and a half. And then it got the Orla cat back.
Nice.
And the Roush spoiler, added that on there myself. Last thing was the RTR rear valence. About it for cosmetics. With performance, like I said, I got the Orla exhaust, I have a Roush cold air intake, and I got a Voodoo intake manifold from the GT350. So
Nice.
she runs real well.
So did that part on the rear valance, the skirt right there, come with the RTR?
Yeah, it all
did.
came as one, and it was really nice is that you reuse all the stock hardware. All you do is just pop it out. It comes with 3M double-sided tape, so you strip that and just pop in the tree pins, put those in there, and it looks really nice. So the only recognition I have is that if you want to do that, it comes with the adhesion promoter, but that doesn't last you the whole thing. So buy your own, so that way you can prep all the surfaces and not run out.
Nice.
But yeah, so.
You know, that reminds me of the GT500, the new one. They have that kind of on the front.
Oh yeah.
Dean and I stick together, man.
Okay, here you go.
Oh my
Go
God.
for it.
You do that in the fall.
What fun is a supercharger? All right, here it is.
It stinks.
I was just kidding.
VMP. Okay.
What year is this again?
It's a 16.
I was gonna say 16 or 17.
Now VMP is in Florida.
VMP's in Florida.
Yes, that's I was watching that video. They're like, come on down. They give you it's called a vacation package.
Really?
They'll take you down there. They'll put the supercharger on it, dyno it, and do it all for you, and give you 2 days in a beachfront condo.
No kid.
You know, free of charge. That's why I hope it is free of charge. After
Yeah, well,
$7
but
grand.
I'll tell you guys something. The VMP, make them do it there because they have the
Yeah.
like tunes they send you, and it was awful. It was awful. Like the car was stalling out on me.
Oh, you did it here?
Yeah, I had the mail tune. You know, they send you the tune over the internet or whatever. And the first time it was fine. Like with the kit that it comes with, it was fine. But then I modified it. I put a 72 millimeter pulley, bigger fuel injectors, and all that. And
Who makes the supercharger?
VMP.
Okay, gotcha.
As soon as you do that, they don't know what to do. Like they had a hard time.
Really?
Yeah, I'd rather
Tuning
take
it.
it there. I'd rather do the drive, even though you get all them fucking miles on
The
the car.
Brembos came with that color on it?
No.
Okay, so you had to put that color on. How did you do that? Did you, is it like a aerosol can, or did you powder coat them, or what?
Okay, good question. So, actually, my auto body guy did it for me.
Really?
And what he did was he took
Okay.
the color from my stripes.
Yeah.
He matched it. He has
Matched
a
it.
special like
Paint.
camera. That,
Okay.
Like mixes
No shit.
matches it perfectly. Anyway, so he took them off.
Okay.
And I saw a picture. I didn't see him do it, but I saw a picture. He had them like strung up on this wire.
Yeah.
And he just sprayed them there, I guess.
And it's holding up.
Yeah, over a year so far on those. He did a great job.
The car looks good.
Thanks, man. Take care, man. I gotta go home and go to sleep. I work till 6:30. Sounds good. James. Have a good one, man. Joe. Take it easy, man. Awesome. Have a good one, man.
It doesn't, it can race, but it doesn't race. The cream of the crop for shelter.
So we're leaving the Beltway Mustang meet. It was awesome. The people there were very, very welcoming, and I think we all had a great time. So I'm really looking forward to this whole season with everybody, and we'll take some really cool videos, I think, in the future. But I'm really looking forward to doing this one today. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.